guys, I am doing a day in a life today, and right now I'm at the marathon getting gas with my father-in-law, and I am headed over to I didn't even put earrings in today, look at that. I'm headed over to the Kroger to get some things. They have coffee on sale, and you know I've got to have coffee, so excuse the rumbling, we get the air on. It's already a very hot day today. Anyhow, we are headed out to the grocery store. Hope y'all are doing good today. I am back home, and I bought $30 worth of coffee because it's Kroger has the deal where you buy five of the item and you get it for the sale price. So whenever their coffee is really cheap, I always buy 5 things of coffee. So I got the Colombian Folgers today. Ronnie and I really like that. I got 2 things of creamers. I got some hand sanitizer today. Today was the first day actually seeing small bottles of hand sanitizer in the store, so I went ahead and bought that. I got some bananas, some donuts that was on sale, and that is about it. I went specifically for the coffee and coffee creamer. I don't know if I said that, but anyways, the coconut cream is our thing. Anyways, I'm cooling down in here. Okay, so I just finished my Aldi order. Thanks for shopping for Aldi's. When you order, it comes up on here and it says received, in progress, shopping complete, in transit, and complete. And then at the end, you can rate your shopper and tip them. So we'll see how long it takes. It's about 20 after 1, so we'll see. I put it down for 2-hour delivery. But with the situation with the COVID-19, it does take a little bit longer, but it is well worth it because it's actually cheaper for me to order and have it delivered than it is for me to actually either A, ride the gas out of my car or take the bus. So it's cheaper, and cheaper is cheaper, and I love this. It's too hot to be at the store. I spent almost $200, but hopefully I get everything. I'll let you know how it goes. So I'm going to share with you what I'm intending to cook. I'm going to do like a beef stroganoff, which is beef and noodles. I'm going to do fish and chips. I'm going to do lasagna rolls. I'm going to do burgers with cheese, homemade pizza, pork chops with mashed potatoes. I'm going to be making my orange cream salad, chicken fajitas, because Ronnie says we have got to have that again. He loves it. I bought some hard salami and some cheese. I did buy some chips and dip, so sometimes on Sunday we tend to kind of go the easy route because we're so busy, but salami and cheese. And then I'm planning to make maybe a couple loaves, at least one, of zucchini bread, and that will be downstairs for good washing. And I know I shared this before. I didn't buy real expensive laundry pods because I wasn't real sure if I would like them. But these have been doing really, really well. I just thought I would show. A lot of you guys have asked what ones I was using, and I keep forgetting to share. But it is the Ultimate Fresh. This is the Great Value brand, and they look like this. And they smell really, really good, and they do the trick. Anyways, I'm going to throw my sheets in today. They so need a good washing, and get my bed nice and fresh. And tonight will be nice to get into a nice clean bed after I take a bath. Okay, so we wanted to end this vlog out with you guys, and we hope that you enjoyed spending the day with us. We had a very busy day today.
Had a very, very busy day, and but you know what? It's been a very wonderful day. As with you, every day is so wonderful. And you know, I enjoyed the wonderful salmon patties. I tell you what, you eat a couple of those after a hard day, and I guarantee you're going to be nice and tired when it comes bedtime.
Well, we did have a very full day, And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing us going to the gym and me going to Kroger. And it's been very productive, hasn't it?
It's been very, very productive. But you know what?
What's that?
It feels great, honey.
Yeah.
Feels great being able to just, enjoy life. Being able to be with you. And you're just so special, honey. And
Aw, you are too, baby.
I sure love you, baby.
And do you know what other footage I put in there?
Oh, yeah?
The raccoon.
Oh, you got the raccoons? Well, you know what? We had a little bit of, we had a little bit of nature. And what was so funny, just the other day, I said, hey, honey, you need to make a nature show. I mean, there was birds out there. Just, it's been unbelievably warm. And I guess the warmth is just bringing all these animals out. Including
there's 4 raccoons in our, kind of in the front of where we live. And they're in the, what do you call that, storm drain?
Mm-hmm.
And there are 4 of them in there. And so they didn't actually come out until it got too dark for me to film. But I had the light on my camera, and when I was filming them, I got some pictures, and all you could see was their little beady glowing eyes, and there was 4 sets of eyes in there.
But you know something? That's strange for around here, because usually you see them more, toward fall,
Yeah.
And but it's pretty warm, and I figure they're looking for water.
Probably so. But they just might need a mommy and a daddy. You want to adopt them?
No, thank you. You know what? I don't want them eating my braille finger off.
I know it.
See, I read with this index.
Yeah, we need these little fingers here, right?
Well, if they get them, they just go.
Well, I'm ready to go to bed.
Me too,
I love
baby.
you.
I love you.
Good night, baby.
Good night, sweetie.
Thank you so much for watching Kiddos Koral. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And we'll be seeing you again soon. Bye, guys.